everyone, this is your beauty service announcement for the week. So I get a lot of questions about how to do natural glam makeup. Like, that's my biggest request. When I do makeup consultations, women want to look flawless and fabulous and like all of their favorite celebrities without the time, the money, and I would just probably say most importantly the time. Like, nobody wants to put that time into their look every day. But that's all right. So I have a tip that is going to make your look pop, and what I always recommend to my clients who are looking for that 5-minute face on a weekly basis, something that you can do just to make yourself look a little bit more pulled together with not a lot of time. And it's something so simple that you guys can all try it today. All you need to do is brighten up your lipstick. You really want to avoid the nude, basic nude lipstick. I don't know, like, you know, what the epidemic with nude eyeshadow, nude lipstick is, but that is a very harsh look to pull off, and it's also very hard to pull off properly. You have to understand, when you're looking at a magazine or people on TV, they have celebrity makeup artists, they have Photoshop, they have ideal lighting, and that's not going to be how you look running to the grocery store or just going about your life. If you nude out your whole look and maybe you don't have that much color to your face to begin with, real quick you're going to look like the Crypt Keeper. So we want to avoid that. We want to do something that's going to bring life to your face and make you look awake and rested and pulled together. The easiest way to do that is find a color that works for you and wear it. It should be your go-to. For a lot of women, it's red. I love red lipstick. But with that said, it has to be the right red lipstick, because we also don't want to look like the Joker. Undertones to your skin and makeup is so important. But if you don't know what undertone is right for you and you don't even know what that means, that's okay. I don't expect you to. All you have to do is just some trial and error. Grab some lipstick that maybe you've had in the drawer or whatever, and if you've been watching the videos, you shouldn't have too many options at this point to choose from, but grab a few colors, put them on, and take a look to see like what you're comfortable with doing. And it's gonna take a little getting out of your box, because a big reason women go for nude lipstick and nude colors is because they think it's safe. They think it's a safe way to just throw something on and move about their day. But in reality, you're really just you're not doing much for your look. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna find a few shades that you're willing to try. It's not gonna be red for everyone. It's not gonna be coral for everyone. It's not gonna be pink for everyone. But find a color that you've been wanting to try, or maybe you should wear that you have, put it on and take the test. Look in the mirror, you can take a selfie of yourself. Like I said in the video last week, you always want to do this in natural lighting. You want to go outside. I am sitting in a room right now with natural lighting, and I do that because it really shows if there's imperfections, and you want to know that. You want to know if you're doing something wrong. So put the lipstick on, go outside, check it out, get comfortable with it. And if you're still a little confused, because you're going to try on maybe a few before you find one where you're like, okay, this is out of my comfort zone, but I'm going to give it a shot. A little tip to trying on lipstick, and you know, by the way, just never go to the department store and just go for it with the lipsticks. Don't ever put those on your face, or retail locations. I worked makeup counters for years, and what people have done with those lipstick testers is just heinous. Like, I am a germaphobe, and it made my skin crawl. I would always be the one to go grab the tester and throw it in the trash, like, because it was just disgusting. But side note, don't put those on your face. Here is another safe way to do it. All you need is some index cards, and you could do it at home, or if you want to bring them to your retail location, whatever. I mean, you'll thank me when you're not walking out with the lip fungus, even if you're the crazy person with some white cards. But you want to grab some white cards, and these are just stupid index cards. You want to put the color lipstick on that you're considering, and then all you have to do is hold it up to your face. And this is a great way for you to see up against, I should say, a white index card, what it is going to look like. So when you have okay, so I have dark eyes, dark hair, and olive skin tone. So I can get away with a lot of colors, okay, because my palette's more neutral. You're gonna have to avoid that though if you are a redhead with cool undertones. Not everything's gonna work on you, okay? Or if you're blonde, blue eyes with warm undertones, not everything's gonna work on you. So you're gonna have to do the color test. So this is a way that I like to do it. Number one, your lips aren't gonna get all red and chappy. If you're doing it at a retail location, you're not gonna end up with the lip fungus. And if you're home, you're not gonna make a big mess all over your face. Now, once you've narrowed it down, yes, I want you to take your favorites and put them on. But real quick, I'm just gonna go through a few with you. So what I have on right now is something a little brighter. I took my own advice today. I was in a hurry and I just wanted to put something on that brightened me up. I usually go for red. I'm not like a real pink person, so I avoided pink, but what I did is I wore a color today that was brighter. It had some coral in it, had a little bit of pink, and it was just something I wanted to try out. And guess what? If I hate it, if I hate this video, if you guys are thinking it looks bad or whatever, who cares? It's lipstick. It's not a tattoo. I'm gonna take it off tonight. That's the beauty about it. Like, you get to try different things, and not staying in a rut is huge. So giving yourself an opportunity to try something. But let's go through a few cards with you just so you see. So I have something bright on right now. Here is something nude. It's like, okay, cool, that works. Like, you know, I'm not feeling like too much of a Frankenstein, but it's like, I mean, is it exciting? I don't think so. I mean, it's, whoa. Okay. Sorry, that's our cryotherapy booth making that noise. So we're gonna keep going because I don't have time to reshoot this. So that's just a little cryo plug on its own. But so here, let's get back to this. So here's the nude lipstick. Again, it's not heinous, but it's boring. Here is a kind of like a plummy shade. The shade's called Orchid, so we're gonna try that. Not my favorite. I feel like instantly I look like I have circles under my eyes. These are colors right here that I avoid. They generally make me look tired. And what are generally circles, the color of circles under your eyes? Purples, blues. So this is a color I definitely avoid. And then the last color that I am drawn towards usually for myself is more of a red. And if you look at the red up against the dark eyes and the dark hair, it does pop. But because it is the right red, I go between an orangey red and a blue red. But what a lot of people don't understand about red, or some of the colors, as I was trying to say earlier, is that if there's a blue undertone or an orange undertone, it can make a huge difference on how it's gonna look on your face and what it's gonna do for the rest of your look, your eyes, your teeth, everything. So these are things to consider. But I wanna wrap this up because I don't want the cryo booth to do that again. So I want you to get some index cards to start off with. Put your lipsticks on them and just hold them up. Take a picture, be honest with yourself, and get in front of some natural light so you can really decide. On top of that, once you've narrowed it down to what you're comfortable with, then yes, you're going to try them on. In between trying on these lipsticks, it would be a good idea to take a little bit of concealer or something, or even a little bit of foundation, and nude out your lips. Because why I'm not a big fan of just trying color on after color is the more you do that, the more pigment you're gonna leave behind, the more red you're gonna make your lips, and the more unnatural the lip color or the lip shade you're trying on is going to look. You're not gonna get a true representation. So once you've found a color that you're like, okay, maybe I don't wear this all the time, but I'm gonna try it because I watched this beauty service announcement, and I mean, again, it's just lipstick. You're not gonna, you know, I mean, the world's not gonna end tomorrow if your lipstick wasn't on point. So once you find one that you're comfortable trying, make that your go-to. Put it on, wear it on days that you're in a hurry and you're like, God, I don't wanna look like a haggard bag lady. Like, I want to move on with my day, but I need to do something with this. So have a couple lipsticks, if anything, on hand that brighten you up and make you look good and make you feel good. And that will be your biggest beauty trick on days or weeks or months or whatever that's going on where you just don't feel like trying, you feel like giving up, but you can't do that because you have a job and you have people who, you know, are going to be concerned if you show up looking haggard every day. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. And as always, send me pictures. I love seeing your posts. I won't share them unless you tell me I can, but send them over. If you have questions, you can always call us at Color Vanity. And until next week, see you guys later.